while ago, but I thought I'd give it an answer. Write a positive cosine function for this problem right here. So we'll look through the given information as we build up the equation. Here's some key points. The midline is the average of the high and low points. So high point is 45, low point is 11. So the midline is at 28. And here's where you put the midline. So if we start with y equals the cosine of x, and then add on a 28, we'll move the cosine function, which kind of looks like this, up to a midline of 28. So I'll move this curve up 28. The amplitude is the distance from the midline to either the high point or the low point. So the amplitude is 17. So we'll put that number up here. That means this function is going to start way up here, come down here, and look something like that. The period is 16.4. That's how long it takes for the bicycle to complete one revolution. And 2 pi over b, which this is the b right here, is equal to the period. So if we solve for b, we get pi over 41/5 or 5 pi over 41. That's b right there. So if we put that there, we're close, but not quite. Okay. The problem is that when does the low point occur without this phase shift? When does the pedal reach 11 inches above the ground? So we'll solve this equation, find out when that happens. If we solve for cosine of 5 pi over 41 times x, we get that equals -1. So this equals the inverse cosine of -1, which is pi. And so x equals pi times the reciprocal of 5 pi over 41. These pi's cancel out. 8.2 seconds without this phase shift it takes for the pedal to reach its low point. But we want it to happen in 5 seconds. So we got to shift this point on the graph that far to the left. Phase shift 3.2 to the left. That's what this is right here. There's what the graph looks like. And you could plug 0 into this equation right here for y, solve for x. I'm sorry, put 0 in for x, rather, and solve or evaluate this to find out the high point, or the point where the pedal is at time 0, which is this distance, this point right here, 33.746. Okay, and so there's the low point at 5 meters to the right. Turns out it takes 13.2 meters to get to the high point, and it just repeats. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.